Hi, this is Jennifer Menza, F Charles 12, and I'm doing what's in my refrigerator. Over here I have some condiments. This is just the ranch and the ketchup and the water. And then in here I have the apples, tomatoes, and let me see and cucumbers and salad stuff. And then we have some apple juice and soup and chicken noodle soup. And then over here we have milk and Capri Suns and tortillas. And then here we have cheese, pizza, Greek yogurt, chili, pizza, eggs. And then we have egg rolls, frozen strawberries, okra, Weight Watchers, ice creams. I think this is some kind of pork, ice cubes, chicken nuggets, I can't think what those are called, hot peppers, frozen strawberries, sausages. That's all I remember. That's all that's in my refrigerator.